is a geologist mud logger? It is the drilling site monitor whose job is to evaluate and record the information that is transmitted to the surface during drilling, with the exclusion of data from the well bottom sensors. The surface logging personnel who perform these services are called some other additional names, including pore pressure engineer, formation evaluation engineer, logging geologist, logging engineer. Under the common designation, the term mud logger is used. Geological assessment to identify potential hydrocarbon production formations, identify geological formations and provide data to the drilling rig to enable safe and economically optimized drilling operations. Petrophysical reservoir formation assessment. To achieve these goals, it needs collecting the cuttings, describing the pieces taken from the crumbs, the type of minerals they contain, interpreting the fossil's lithology, estimating properties such as porosity and permeability of the drilled formation, maintaining and monitoring drilling equipment for safety, estimating the pressure pores of drilled formation, collection, monitoring and evaluation of hydrocarbons emitted from drilled formations, assessment of productivity of hydrocarbon-bearing formations, maintenance of a record containing drilling information. In order to obtain this information comes the role of drilling fluids, which is the most important element in drilling mechanics, where the information cutting samples is obtained from the formation down to the surface, decoded, resolved, and extracted from the mud drilling fluid by means of different processes. MWD and LWD data are encoded as pressure pulses, and it is transferred to the surface. This process is not the same as when drilling in a deep environment in deep water. Drilling fluid is stored in prepared tanks, and it is drawn into pumps and pumped into the drill pipe through the Kelly. Drilling mechanics. At this point, the drilling fluid carries rock fragments from the drilled formations, along with any formed fluids whether they are water, oil or gas. Pieces and fluids are transported to the surface and any gaseous components are dissolved in the drill fluid under the most balanced drilling conditions. Clay is poured over the shaker screens, where the pieces of crumbs remain, and the drilling fluid that falls through the sieve is transmitted by degosser, desander, and desilter, each of which has holes of a specific size until the fluid is purified and returned to the drill pipe. Mud logger takes these samples in order to obtain the information he wants, after performing many precise operations until he obtains a clear sample. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm GeoNaba.